3, 4. Hello again!
Hello.
We are
in Blue Lagoon,
Blue Lagoon,
Iceland.
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 Wow, ready to swim in the Blue Lagoon. Ako, blue nga talaga. Okay, I will show you the Blue Lagoon. Okay. This is the area around Blue Lagoon. Lava ang makikita. Those are lava. According to our tour guide, this wall, they built that wall to for the lava not to slide here. Yeah, this is Blue Lagoon. Blue nga talaga. Blue. Yeah, sulfur. Oh, yan. Kaya maganda yung putik na yung puti. Good mo. Maalis yung mga kwan sa katawan. Oh, blue po talaga. Blue. Light blue pala. Hindi yung blue na parang ocean. Light blue. Ayan. Wow, ang taas naman ang lava around this area. Blue Lagoon. Itong itong tubig na ito ay wastewater from that wastewater from that plant na maraming mineral, vitamin, maganda sa katawan. Yeah. Tama ba ako? Okay. Hi, Suret. Welcome to Blue Lagoon.
Brook Shields.
Do you know that this water is a wastewater?
Yeah.
It's a wastewater.
Waste, but it's not dirty.
Yeah, but it's not the dirty one. I need to hear from Bella. Okay, Bella.
Talking to the phone.
Okay. We need to know about this
Nakwento niya sa amin, te.
Blue Lagoon.
Ito
Okay.
para laba pala to. 2 years ago.
2 years ago,
May
yeah.
eruption.
Yes, nag-irap po dito sa may Blue Lagoon 2 years ago. Kaya, this area is now a ghost town daw.
Yung dinaanan natin.
Oo. So, yung mga bahay, ibininta na sa state daw. Wala ng mga tao kasi every time nag-earthquake. So, nagkakaroon ng sinkhole sa gitna ng bahay. Kaya, hindi ho maganda. Baka masira yung struktura ng bahay nila. Sila. Masaktan. At saka hindi na, livable itong area na to, no? Hindi na. Kaya inabandon. Lahat ibininta yata sa
Binayaran sila ng government.
government daw. Oh. Yan. Ito yung kuhan. Hindi yung blue. Yung light blue lang siya. Yan. Kasi may sulfur. Yung sulfur na yan, yung puti sa loob.
Ate, this way.
Maganda yan na igud-gud sa katawan. Malis yung mga anik-anik. Oh, blue nga talaga naman. Okay, ito ay parang resort. I mean, it's a resort daw ito. So, nami-maintain nila. Kasi nung nag-irap, yung parking lot, natabunan. Kaya, naggawa sila ng bago daw.
2 months ago lang.
2 months ago, yung parking nila. I see 2 months daw. So, tingnan nyo. Lava. Lahat. Walang damo. Ah, lava. Oh, can you imagine? Pwede ka bang makyat dyan? Oh, hindi pwede. Nakakatakot. Oh, ito po yung ano, yung resort. Parang hotel naman. May hotel ba dito? Okay. Ayan. O yan, ginagawan ng daan. Okay. Thank you, Bella. Oh, sorry. Oh, dito sa ano, mag-check-in kami. Abby, you're in charge. Daming tao. Diyos ko. Oh, your socks. Waiting. It's okay. I don't need socks na. Check-in availability. Group. Retreat spa. Oh, yan na yung loob ng resort. Mag-check-in ka. Oh, yan pala yung tindahan. Oh. See, pwede kang bumili ng mga
Para yung pinuntahan natin sa Israel.
lava. Yeah, sa Dead Sea.
Ahaba.
Pero naman, yeah. Ay!
Wala namang nangyari.
Ano pa? Mag-good-good ka na lang dyan. Okay, so
Parang
nasa
Dead Sea.
pila.
Parang Dead Sea.
Yes. Maganda rin yung Dead Sea, ah. Punta kayo doon. Floating ka. Pero salty.
Gira.
Floating. Pag tapos ang gyera. Okay. Kami maghihintay para makapunta doon. Ang laki pala, malaki. Ang oh yan.
Swimming pool yan siguro.
Ang laki pala itong Blue Lagoon. Oh yan. Ito po yung tindahan. Pagkatapos mong maligo, dadalhin ka dito at bibili ka. Okay, may sasabihin ako sa inyo. Nung nasa Israel kami, dinala kami doon after maligo doon sa Dead Sea. O, dinala kami dito sa may store. O, syempre, they have to talk sweet to us para makabili. Ay, nako, naka-spend kaya ako ng $500 US. Wala naman nangyari. No camera. Ay, patay. O, sige, wala daw camera. Pasensya na. I will, tingnan ko kung maitago ko. O, may tago ko ito. Tingnan ko, mamatigas ang ulo natin. Pero I want to show you the Blue Lagoon. Pwede naman tayo magpicture, ah. Ay, naku, daming tao, ah. Okay na?
Sorry if I could.
Papakita ko lang.
Yes.
Hello, welcome everybody. I'm just going to do a quick explanation of how everything works. So, we will be giving you guys these wristbands, and then these are also hooks for your arms. And you guys can also find anything longer. When you close it, you scan it with this scan over here, and then it's going to lock. And in your package, you guys can all get one facial mask here at the mask bar. As well, you all have one free drink each included at the in-water bar. And then if you want to add any extra drinks, you just scan the wristband, pay at the checkout there, you once you're finished with everything.
Okay.
So I recommend getting like the most expensive drink first. And then I recommend keeping your hair out of water before you enter into the room. Or with leave-in conditioner, which we have inside the showers of our rooms. And the same goes with jewelry. I recommend taking silver, white, gold, platinum, with all off. It's a white
Yeah.
varnish in the water.
The dami.
And then towels, they're provided for you at the end once you're finished with everything. But do you guys have any questions? Yeah, have a wonderful time. Enjoy.
So we can go anywhere. This is big area. Ah. All right.
The bar is there, so you can just go everywhere. It's
Okay.
good to discover.
Excuse
All
me.
right. Okay. Okay, go.
Excuse me. Can we bring cameras inside? Yeah, of course. It's just at your own risk if you drop it in the water.
Yeah. Thank you.
Oh,
Okay.
those
Huwag mo nang tanongin.
as many times in and out.
Yeah.
So you can bring your phone or camera outside the room and then go back to the
Oh.
Pag napagod na po kayo, balik kayo sa locker, lagay yung camera, balik na naman.
Balik ulit.
So,
Oh,
every time
so
every
the
time you
backpack is not allowed there.
So everyone has a bracelet.
Yes, you
I
have your
see.
own.
Okay.
Everyone have their own locker.
I hope you have a wonderful time. I'll just check if we're ready to send them in, if I may.
Yeah, you have.
Squeeze your through, thank you.
Okay, you may squeeze through.
Bali po, usual people stay here 1 to 2 hours.
Okay.
So we just basically think about 2 hours in it. So after 2 hours, we will be waiting there by the parking area where the car is.
Okay.
Where you can always miss it.
Okay.
You cannot see it.
Yeah.
But we expect that, let's say 2 hours about 9 p.m.
Mm-hmm.
So we're gonna go back.
Okay.
So it's almost 7. So we expect like 7 we are there. I mean, like a little bit late, but expect that we just
At the parking lot na. Okay. Yeah.
that is more than enough. You will feel exhausted. Yeah, maybe before it's up to you, but we will be there. We just take a nap and yeah.
Okay, now you can take a nap. Sorry to bug you earlier.
So they have there, I think. Nandun na yung mga wristband nyo, te.
Okay, so we'll see.
Masarap po magkano sparkling wine dito. Maganda para sa
Oh, yung ano daw, unang drink is free. Kaya, piliin yung ano, mahal. Right?
Here or there? One is coming.
Oh, yan pala yung wristband niya.
Can you just wait over the chicken? You can just cut it, send the person.
You scan it to bukas. Oh, ito yung pintuan. So, you scan. Okay. Yes. To the left. To the left.
Banji, yung diamond mo.
Malaki pa yung mata ng ano, kuros. Wala yan. Okay, now we have our own wristband. Open everything. Okay, now iwanan namin yung aming mga, we're going to a change room. Oh, that's the Blue Lagoon. Oh, yan yung ano, Blue Lagoon. Oh, dito ka kukuha ng mga Oh, bakit hindi tayo kumuha ng ano? Ayan. Ha?
Everybody upstairs, but means to the left.
But, no, kuha tayo ah. I need one. Di ba? Can we get one? Ah, okay.
Everybody goes upstairs.
Okay. May extra pala yung ano, binibigay na robe. Ah? Ah, no. Sinara ko kasi change room pala to kaya hindi pwede. Okay, paano bang i-post? Okay. Mag-change muna tayo. How to post? Okay, finish na lang. Thank you.